Akhilesh Maru, good afternoon. Thank you so much for your time. Earlier in the con call, your management said how they are aiming at around 60, 70,000 solar pumps because the government is putting out a tender of about 4 lakhs and you're aiming at 60, 70,000 of them to be coming your way in the next couple of quarters. Now, bigger power generators are also re-emphasizing the way Kusum scheme is panning out. Talk to us about how meaningful could the numbers or financials of the company can transform if indeed you're able to get the targeted amount, because we saw your Q4, if that is any signs or guide of higher solar pumps coming your way could do to the numbers.
Yeah, good afternoon. As we discussed a lot about the Kusum projects and the big numbers. So I'll start with when last year the project came, it was only 1.8 lakh pumps, and now we are talking about 3.2 lakh pumps plus 70,000-80,000 from the last year carried forward numbers. And we are targeting around 50 to 60,000 pumps this year from the Kusum side, and we are very well prepared for that. And we are also targeting OEMs business where we are supplying our pumps, VFDs to big players like Tata, Adani, Waaree, where they enter into this kind of tenders. And the other side, we are also working with the state government separate projects where the state government coming up beyond Kusum projects. So these are the things where we are actually targeting. Like talking about the yearly financial performance and all, if all we get what we are targeting, I think probably we are trying to touch around 2,000 crore top line.
Right. 2,000 crore top line for FY22 versus 900 odd, which stood for FY21. I'm told that you're also attempting to improve margins on that 2,000 crore top line by way of improved efficiencies internally, trying to bring different costs, including HR and raw material costs lower. So what kind of margins are we talking about here? We've already seen your overall costs go down, be it manufacturing costs, interest costs, all of that. Do you have more scope for demonstrating that in 22 as well?
See, as the utilization level goes up, we get benefits of operating leverage, we get benefit of scalability. So hopefully hopefully we can improve, we will try to improve our margins, and we are trying hard to do that because the base is also large this year. And last year, in FY21, our margins are around 15.5%, 16% at EBITDA level and around 8% at the PAT level. So probably we will try to cross about 16% at EBITDA and about 8% in PAT level.
Of 2,000 crore top line, anywhere around 150, 160 crore. Is the kind of profitability which is not ruled out for FY22, right?
See, our calculation is purely based on the top line. Like if we are talking about, let's say, the numbers of 50, 60,000 pumps, if we get from the Kusum scheme, then OEM's target if we get, and the state governments, what we are talking, if we get the numbers from the state government also, yeah, we can touch this 2,000 crore top line. And anyways, whenever we enter into this kind of tenders, we work on a certain margin basis business. So hopefully, if top line is intact, then margins will be there.
You focus for a second and talk about the export opportunity. How much is exports right now as your overall 930 crore odd top line? And right now it was mostly a part of Africa, but do you see that also becoming, the base also becoming bigger for your exports? And what kind of margins do you have on exports?
Yeah. See, right now we have almost 19-20% of our export sales, which is around 180 crores and 930 crores. And this year we are trying this 180 crore sales is purely a commercial sales to our dealer, distributor and local representative. So we are targeting these sales to take up to, let's say, 225 to 250 crores. And beyond that, we also have a Uganda solar project, Uganda government solar pump project, where we are talking about implementation or execution of 250 crore project. And this project is of 2 years life, but we may try to end up we may try to finish this project in this year itself.
Okay. So just to get right, out of your 2,000 crore targeted top line, if the ratio remains the same, then we talk about 20% of it coming from exports. But you see upside in the proportion also going higher. How much can exports grow at?
See, exports are anyways like, the numbers are like, very numbers on a higher side from 180 crore to we are talking about 450 crores. So numbers on a very higher side as we have a project also. But overall, from the total sales of percentage of total sales, maybe 25% of total sales.
Sure. And one last question is on capacity utilizations. We understand you still have scope for increasing your utilization levels and achieving these targets without feeling the need for more capex. So, if your current utilization, what is your current utilization, and how much can it go up by when you don't feel the need for fresh capex, and what is the full capacity utilization potential of sales?
We can go up to with all segments. We can go up to around 2,200, 2,300 crores. Earlier we had manufacturing facility only for pump sets. Now we have VFDs also. We have our own structure facilities also. So all put together, we can go up to 2,200, 2,300 crores total, like 100% utilization.
Right. All right, Akhilesh, we'll let you go on that.